This is the back of your 3-1 notes. I'm going to go over how to do number 1, and you'll finish 2, 3, and 4 on your own. The very first thing we're going to do with the first problem is we're going to change any subtraction signs to a plus with a negative number. It just makes it easier to see. So, this expression has blank terms. Terms are the groups, that come between plus addition and subtraction signs. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 terms. Okay. List the variables. Our variables are our letters. Another word for variable is letters. Another word, letters. So I have an x squared right here, and I have to put that squared. Remember, it's like it's his last name. You got to do the whole thing. Then I see a y, and then I have a regular x. So those are my variables. Let's see. I'll write this. Terms, we need to think of groups. Variables, we think of letters. Coefficients, this is the number in front of letters. Okay, so in front of the x squared, I have a 4. In front of the y, I have a 6. And in front of the x, I have a 5. So those are my coefficients. The constant is the number without a letter. It's the lonesome one. So I have one lonesome guy right here, a -7. You got to be sure to include that negative. The only one that's going to be a little bit tricky, and I'll help you out, in number 4 right here, I have 6 plus 5x squared plus 7xy squared plus 3y plus -4x plus -9, and then plus, I'm going to make this a -1 x squared y squared. So I need you to do number 2, 3, and 4 on your own, and then you will do X10 IXL 8th grade. Thank you.